Hey guys, Emily here at Bond Hair Bar, and I want to talk to you about my favorite leave-in conditioner. This is the best. I cannot find anything that's better to replace this. This is the Saints and Sinners leave-in conditioner, and it's the Velvet leave-in conditioner. Now what I like to do is spray it on towel-dried hair. Okay, you get out of the shower, towel dry your hair. First thing you're going to do is spray on your leave-in conditioner. All right, then I like to cocktail that with a couple of pumps of the Loma Fortifying Reparative Tonic. Okay, then you're going to put that on the ends. All right, this is on towel-dried hair. Your hair has not even been brushed yet. Then you're going to brush through your hair, and then you can let it air dry a little bit, or even start your blow drying segment. Now, what is also amazing about this Velvet leave-in conditioner is it's so good for your natural hair. It just makes it feel like butter. And I like to put it on the hair extensions. So I'll put it on the hair extensions, just mid to ends, before you go to bed, and then brush it through, and then put it into your 2 braids. And I'm not kidding you, this stuff will be so buttery and beautiful, and you can just let this hydrate your hair while you sleep, and then you're gonna wake up and your hair is just gonna be perfect.